In this problem, we are working with circumference and area of a circle. Find the circumference and area of a circle with radius 2 yards. Use the value 3.14 for pi, and do not round your answers. Be sure to include the correct units in your answer. The area, or A, of a circle with radius r is given by the following formula. Area equals pi times r squared. The circumference, or C, of the circle is given by the following formula. C equals 2 pi times r. Because the diameter, or d, of a circle is twice the radius, or r, this formula can also be written as follows. C, or circumference, is equal to pi times diameter. The given radius is r equals 2 yards, which we see here. This is the radius, and it's 2 yards. Using 3.14 for pi, we find the circumference. So the circumference equals 2 times pi times r. So 2 times 3.14, which we put in for pi, and we know the radius is 2. 3.14 times 2 equals 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, bring our decimal down, 2 times 3 is 6. Then we take 6.28 times the other 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Bring down our decimal. And 2 times 6 is 12. So we get 12.56 for our circumference. So the circumference is a distance, so we use a unit of length. And we were using yards. So the circumference, or C, is 12.56 yard. We also use the radius equals 2 yards to find the area. So the area is pi times r squared. So remember, we're using 3.14 for pi, and the radius is 2. So 2 squared is 2 times 2, which equals 4. Then we can take 3.14 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Then we bring our decimal down. 4 times 3 is 12. So our area is 12.56. So the area equals 12.56 yards squared. We are finding an area, so we use a squared unit. So here is the answer. The circumference is 12.56 yards, and the area is 12.56 yards squared.